So guys, this is a white Astilbe, and today I'm going to show you how to divide this. This plant has overgrown and grown too big in this pot, so it needs to be divided and given new compost, new space to grow healthy new shoots and flower for next year. It is now late August, early September, perfect time. It gives you a good few weeks before the cold weather sets in for the new roots to establish, and it's not too hot. Now Astilbe likes little bit of sunshine, morning sunshine or evening sunshine, but it cannot handle all day sunshine, so be careful. So it's a fairly shady plant and it gives you lovely flowers. It comes in pink and white. This is the white version. It gives white fluffy flowers. I'll leave a picture on the screen so you can see what the plant actually looks like when it's in flower. Couple of hours before you begin to do this, I would advise you to give it lots of water. Really let it hydrate and soak and drink up all that water. So a couple of hours before you begin. Now for this job, you're going to need 2 spades, 2 forks or combination, because you're going to use those to go in and divide and break the roots up. So let's begin. Time to pull this whole plant out. Okay, so grab it, and then there you go. You see that? Now this is going to look brutal, but this is the way it has to be done. Okay guys? Now let me show you something. You see this one single one here, that can become one whole plant there. Okay, but it's going to take a long time to fill up the pot, so I like to put quite a few of these stems in per pot. Okay, I'm going to divide this into quarters, so another half, and then put them all into one pot. So I'm going to go half again. So that's going to be one plant, and that's going to be another plant, and this one half again. That's a nice big clump. So this is called division, guys. Dividing your plant. Every 3 to 5 years you need to do this, even in the ground, because they get too crowded. All this old soil is going to go into the compost making bin. One of the plants I'm going to put straight back in this guy, absolutely fine. So we've got a good quality compost. Fill up a couple of inches at the bottom. So I'm going for the biggest clump straight back in here, and then it's just a case of filling all the way around and nice and firm so the plant stays upright. Let's do that. And here we are, guys, completely free plant, new one. Ready? Now, very important. Water slowly and often, and keep this in a shady spot, especially if the weather is going to be hot or sunny. Do not leave this in the sun. It's going to suffer. It's very weak at the moment, and it needs the roots and everything to establish before it goes in the sun. So keep it in a shady spot, and that's it. And next year, next spring, summer, I'll show you how beautiful this is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I had two large white astilbes. They've all been divided. The largest one I had to put in that terracotta pot, and two became 8. Now they've been watered, and they're just going to be placed around 4 probably over there, and the other 4 on the other side, and keep an eye on them, how well they are doing. So that's the white astilbe done for the next few years. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. It will really help the channel grow, and it only takes you a few seconds, and then we can do more videos like this. Take care. Bye for now.